We've already solved problems that require the addition of either positive or negative integers. We now need to investigate how to add both positive and negative integers. As I work the problem on the screen, you work it on your tray. Please reset your trays before we start. Tasha climbed the first 3 steps of a ladder to paint the top of a window. She climbed down 2 steps to paint the bottom of the window. What step was she on to paint the bottom of the window? Since she climbed up 3 steps, I represent this as a positive 3 by using 3 balls. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Since she then stepped down 2 steps, I represent this as a negative 2 by making 2 empty spaces. Negative 1, negative 2. Now I add them together to find what step Tasha painted from. Positive 3 plus negative 2 equals positive 1. If Tasha climbed the first 3 steps and came down 2 steps, she ended up on the first step. Let's work another problem. This time I'll start it and let you finish it. Remember to reset your trays before we start. When Jose woke up, the thermometer read 0 degrees. Just before breakfast, it had gone up 2 degrees. As he left for school, the thermometer had gone down 4 degrees. What was the temperature when Jose left for school? Since the temperature went up 2 degrees, I represent this as a positive 2. Positive 1, positive 2. Your teacher is not going to pause the movie while you finish the problem. He or she will restart the movie when they're ready to go on. Here's how I finished the problem. Since the temperature dropped 4 degrees, I represented this as a negative 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. To find the new temperature, I add the numbers together. Positive 2 plus negative 4 equals negative 2. The temperature when Jose left for school was negative 2, or 2 degrees below 0. Let's work one more problem. This time I'll give you the problem and you'll work it by yourself. On Friday, Matthew received $5 for his birthday and a bill for $2 for a CD he bought. How much did Matthew's total worth change on Friday? Your teacher will pause the movie and restart it when he or she is ready. Here's how I worked the problem. Since Matthew received $5, I represented this as a positive 5. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5. Since Matthew got a bill for $2, I represented this as a negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2. To see how much his total worth changed, I added the 2 numbers together. Positive 5 plus negative 2 equals positive 3. Matthew's total worth increased by $3.